All right, we got Sky here, Trey.
Yeah.
D. I don't know if you can see him. Me, we're about to be reckless at McDonald's.
The shit out of these people. There's his arm extending with the bag of food.
Ah, perfect.
Dang, yo.
What? Back up a little bit. Trey, back up a little bit.
Yeah, back up a little bit.
So you get your air horn there, you know? Ew, you see that kid with the afro?
Oh, dude, they're making it. I'm like pissed.
Yeah, what if he gave us our food first?
No, we have to wait till they leave. I'm not driving them. Dude, I'm not speaking wrong. What the hell is it? What the hell are they doing?
Yo, we get like free food.
Huh. Okay. Aw, shit.
Yo, what?
I think I left my... Fuck.
Wait, you don't have the money?
Nah, dude. Come on a second.
You just told Man, you just told me you had the money.
Dude, sorry.
Yo, man, come on, we gotta hurry up, man.
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
You don't... Where?
No.
Oh my gosh, Sky, what are you doing?
Yo, do it now.
All right,
Here
ready?
it is.
1, 2.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.